I think the future is going to see you'll start seeing insurance dwindle over time.
So where do you see like the future of this going then? Like where could we push the edges of it? I know we're not there now, but where's the future of this recurring model go?
Well, yeah, I think more and more patients are becoming aware that this exists. So what I think the future is going to see you'll start seeing insurance dwindle over time. Now this is quite a ways in the future.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I think insurance companies are being disrupted because I've gotten several calls from them and I know their concerns and what they're looking at, right? But I
Yeah,
do
so
think
let's
that
talk through that. Why do you think that? Because
yeah,
if you talk to the dentist community or everything I read on Facebook and stuff, it's like
yeah,
the dental insurance companies are squeezing everybody, and they're
yeah.
charging
Well, yeah, the inflation is going up, and the if you're partner with an insurance company, your price is going down. That's kind of the in dental nachos. If you're in that group,
yeah.
that's pretty much every conversation going on, right? And then on the same side, consumers or patients are figuring out that insurance is not working, and it's not a very good model. In fact, insurance inflates industries, right, which is not good for the consumer or the business that it's involved with, right? If you look at outside of dentistry, but yeah, you see the amount of time that we speak to practices, the number one strategy since I've been doing this from practices is reducing dependence on PPOs. So over time, you'll start seeing this more and more, happen. And even when I started, like that was a pretty common thing when practices back in 2015, practices were saying, yeah, we want to reduce dependence on PPOs. Pretty much every single practice that comes to us at BoomCloud and is interested in scaling their membership programs, that's their number one strategy they're doing. So I think you'll see, insurance diminish over the years because it's a model that's being disrupted in the industry right now.
Yeah.
And there's obviously several options. I mean, even a practice that doesn't use a solution like BoomCloud could figure out some stuff in office and then test it out and then
Yeah.
scale it later,
Yep.
right? That's what I
Yep.
see a lot of too. But I think the insurance model is being disrupted because of the amount of practices, cutting plans and going out of network and scaling these membership plans. When I started, I saw practices, that they would get to a couple hundred active membership, patients, and they would be pumped for it. Now we're seeing practices hitting thousands of active membership patients and
Wow.
growing their subscription revenue and just becoming a little bit more. Their models have recurring revenue, and their models give them confidence, I guess you can say, to start reducing dependence on PPOs. But I think the insurance model is being disrupted. Everything gets disrupted, even the big bad insurance companies.